Hi there guys, today I've got a tutorial for you on how to make a simple memory array. Alright, I'll jump straight in. So you start off by making a line of 8 pistons facing upwards. Yeah, as I do that, make sure you've got 8. Now when you've done that, go out 3 blocks, or 3 blocks between. So on the 4th block, make an 8 long, place 8 blocks up. Right, now then you want to place pistons, a row of pistons, of 8 pistons again. Oh yeah, you've got first up, I'm just building up straight away, building a little, okay, we'll start off by that. Okay then, so you want to, these will make the top pistons, so that you want to go 3 up and then 1 across, and then build the pistons on top of that. You get 8, so there you go, that's your right set of pistons. That's the right set. And then so you place pistons, not pistons, sorry, just normal blocks on top of that, and then put redstone, connect that with redstone. Yeah, there you go. So just you want to connect that redstone, and that's basically going to operate that top set of pistons with the one I'm going to build right now. I'm placing all the repeaters down first. I don't know why. This is probably just fail. Just placing them down for, I don't know why. Just really, to be honest, just for fun. Okay. Now you place the pistons like that. Okay. So what we've basically done is these row pistons I've just made right now are going to operate simultaneously with top set, so which will push the memory array round. So basically this is just the motor. This first part is just basically going to be the motor. And there you go. So when you light it up, they both work simultaneously. They both pop out. So when you've done that, you want to build 6, I think it is. 6, yeah, 6 from the ground. No, 7. Remove the 6th block, and then place a piston. As we build 6 up, there you go. 7 up and take the 6th one out. Sorry. Place a piston facing down, and then you want to do an 8. We'll make so just showing you how that goes work. Now you remove that. You can just get rid of that. There you go. Just counting. Make sure there's 4 between that row and 4, because that's the memory is going to be 4 wide. So make sure you haven't got it wrong at the start. So now do the 8 piston thing. Okay. Oh, put 1 too many there. Take that one out. Okay then. When you've done that, you want to basically what's going to happen is you want to connect. Now you want to connect this row of pistons, one we just made, with that bottom one there, the one I'm pointing at now. And how you're going to do that is the exact same principle. Build a stairway up diagonally. This one you're going to have to do right next to the set of pistons. You'll figure out. Okay, so then you build up like that, and this one you don't want to put on top. You want to put behind the pistons. These blocks you put them behind the pistons. There you go. Remove that one. Go ahead and remove that one. Now you want to. Then you're going to throw some redstone. There you go. So again, these row of pistons will work together. You can color code it. I just thought, for aesthetic purposes, I just put one color in. It doesn't look too flashy. Just make it as boring as possible. Okay, so yeah. So when you do that, them two will work together. Now we've got to do the other set of pistons. Now you put the repeaters inside. You don't put them outside. Well, I put them inside. One behind there, so that will activate that one. And now you hook it up with redstone. You hook them all up. Make sure they all work. And if if there's a technical bug, if one piston comes up late, you may have just double clicked a repeater and made it a slight delay. So make sure you check all that. Make sure they work properly. Now we're going to build the clock, like the thing that actually makes it go around by itself, so you don't have to keep swapping it. Do that. I think we'll do that now. You want actually no, right? We're going to start off by building the manual ticker. Basically, by building this, you can manually turn your array. So this is how you place the memory. You do that. So I do 2 blocks of wall or whatever you want. Torches are done. Redstone. There you go. Get a nice little view of that. The what's its face has to be pointing, the repeater has to be pointing towards the second block, and you want it to put it on delay of 3. Now, can you hook it up? If you hook it up, basically, I've just made a mistake there. I've only managed to get 2 working, and that's because over in that corner there you go, where I'm close to now, you don't want first of all, you don't want it all touching, and there you go, in that corner to the right, where I'm facing, is a problem. What I've done is, see, that's only 2 working now, only one set of piston, one linkage of piston that is working, because if you look there, look, you actually don't do that yet. That's for later, that'll be for the second clock. You just want to hook it up straight away with the rest. And there you go. And as you can see, the first set of pistons works first, and the other works second. So now we're going to test it out. So you make 4 across, then you go 3 up again, and then make 4 across. So it's a 4x4 square. You have to take, we paste one in there to see it go around. You have to take a square out in the diagonal, but I forget that. It'll come out, there you go. It will just push 2 squares out. So you take that out, and the one in the bottom that's come out. It's come out, it's popped out. You put another colour blocked in to see it go around. There you go. So you see it's functioning fine. It's pushing that memory array thing around. It's pushing it around, which is good. So there you go. So if you do it too fast, it will make the not malfunction, but it can make it bug out. So don't go too fast on that. Anyway, so we're coming to the end of the tutorial. Watch part 2.